Well, good morning from a bright and early towing day today. Typically, we don't like to tow anywhere this early, but we noticed one of our travel trailer tires is wearing unevenly, so that is something we have to go deal with today. Dwight won't even look at me. He's upset we woke him up. Oh, baby. We had to wake both cats up. Nico's hiding under the bed, but Dwight was really cuddly and he didn't want to have to leave early in the morning. I know, bud. Sorry. We also just so happen to be going to one of the least RV-friendly states in the entire country, which just so happens to be where we were both born. So that's something else we've been dealing with logistics for. So hasn't been a great week. Yeah, so it might not translate very well, but like this part of this tire is wearing out more than all the other ones. I don't know what that means, but it can't be good. I know sometimes it could be like an alignment thing or something like that, but we live in this, so we can't just like take it into a shop and let it sit there for days, or we won't have a home or any of our stuff. So we got to figure out the logistics for all this. This site was also crazy uneven, so we got to get off 3 blocks. We don't like to normally go on that many. All right, lordy, that's good. So the Discount Tire is 23 miles away. Like I said, we're hoping for just an uneventful drive there. There were some closer tire spots, but honestly, we've had good luck at Discount Tire with our travel trailer stuff, so we'd kind of rather just go somewhere we're familiar with and that's affordable, so Discount Tire it is. Okay, so the good news is we safely made it to the Discount Tire. Garrett went in and he's gonna see, I guess, when they can fit us in. They said just come around when they open, so we literally got here when they opened at 8 a.m. So it was an early towing day, but we made it safely and we are grateful for that. I'm waiting to see what Garrett has to say when he comes back. Alrighty, well, Garrett came back to the car and apparently it's all of our tires. We weren't really expecting to have to replace all of our tires right now with how expensive things have been, so we're not really looking forward to that. But I guess we're gonna have to replace all 4 of our trailer tires. I know this is something that kind of happens, but I wish it was something we could have like planned ahead for a little bit more. So we'll make it work and we'll make everything happen. But alrighty, I've calmed down a little bit. I'm a little less sad now. I'm still sad, but Garrett was quoted the price.
So it's like $630 for like all 4 installed.
Yeah.
So
we were expecting to have to spend like 100 and something today. So
well, I thought originally we'd be able to just replace that one tire, but like him looking at all of them, it does, and he was kind of showing me, it does look like they're all wearing the same exact way. He said, except that one just looks like it's wearing a little quicker.
Yeah, it's not good for our like axle or frame or whatever. We got to deal with that at some point. But
yeah, but it's like weird. Like all the tires, the outer edge all have this like divot in it. So
yeah,
he said that's not normal. So I believe him.
Just look at him though. He's so tired. Nico is under his covers. He cannot be seen, but poor Dwight. He was tired all morning. I showed him earlier, but he's still just as tired as
he didn't want to get out of bed.
No one wanted to get out of bed this morning.
We got an early start. I think that was probably the earliest we've ever
towed anyway.
Got out.
Yeah. I know it doesn't seem that early, but we did get here at like 8 a.m. and that's we came from like 40 minutes away. So like that's kind of early to be towing. Not to just be like normal driving, but towing early in the morning and hitching up and all that stuff. Not really ideal. Alrighty, so we have to kind of make like a tight thing. It might not look that tight, but I promise it is. This is a nightmare. All right, we made it. Alrighty, well, we've been in Maryland this last week visiting family, and we haven't done literally anything aside from go back and forth to visit family, but we are still visiting family, but our family also lives in Annapolis, so we're gonna explore Annapolis for the first time. We lived in Maryland for like 100 years, but never went to Annapolis, so today we're finally exploring the capital city.
And also an amazing local gallery.
Annapolis is also like super artsy, so right now we are at the Pearl Gallery. So it's a gallery owned by one of my family members, so if you're in Annapolis, come to the Pearl Gallery. So this is Julie. You're not gonna be able to hear her. She's not mic'd up, but she owns this gallery. So she's one of the artists here too. So she does art here too.
We all own it.
Yes. Oh yeah, part. Yeah.
Yeah. Clean it.
Not fully claimed. Yeah.
But we have everything from jewelry to pottery to cut paper to acrylic. Gallery, we all love what we do so much.
Also, just a side note, it's been rainy here every single day that we have been in Maryland. So it's a rainy day in Annapolis, but it's still really pretty. There's a whole mess of like creepy little dolls here.
I think you're supposed to like.
They're kind of like a voodoo doll. It's unsettling. All right, So we are done walking around downtown Annapolis, and we kind of got off like the main drag, and we're going to a place called Davis's Pub. Maryland's known for like crabs and crab adjacent stuff, and we haven't had crab stuff in a very long time. So we're gonna go to Davis's Pub and get crab tots and then a couple other crab things. We don't know what that means.
Never had crab tots before.
We've been told these are good by our family that's taking us here, so we're gonna find out what all of that is.
Crab pretzels, orange crushes.
I've never had an orange crush in my life.
What do you recommend?
So we're being told we need to get an orange crush and then crab tots and basically anything crab. Because we've been out west most of the time and they're not exactly known for crabs in like where we spend most of our time. So we're very excited. So it's a busy place in here, so mind us.
It's packed.
It's packed. But we got the orange crush, which is the Maryland state drink. We were told to get so. It's very good. So these are pub tots. They're like tater tots with crab dip and cheese and bacon and all kinds of good things on them. So that's the first thing we're eating. All right, so I think there's nothing to hate about this, but it's really like crab dip and cheese and bacon and all kinds of good things. Yeah, I can get behind that. I could eat this every day. Maybe I won't, but I could. All right, so this is one of my favorite things in the entire world. This is cream of crab soup, and it is gonna be real good. It's just a creamy soup with crab in it. So cream of crab. It's exactly what it sounds like. But it's something I used to eat all the time when I lived in Maryland, and it's really good. All right, so we're in the Eastport neighborhood of Annapolis. Just for reference if you come out here, but walking distance from Davis Pub is a brewery called Forward. So we're gonna go there now because we like beer and our family likes beer. So it wouldn't be a little trip for us if we didn't go to a brewery. All right, the brewery was closed, so we're gonna go somewhere mysterious instead that our family says they've never been to and they've always wondered what it was like. So we don't know what we're getting into, but not a brewery today. Alrighty, well, where we are is called Dark Horse and it's somewhere in Annapolis.
I'm scared.
Yeah, that's Barry and he's scared.
They have Natty Go.
Here we go.
Hopefully it's cheap.
All right, it's been a crazy few days. We've been in Maryland the last like 4 nights. We've actually been here to visit family, so it's pretty much been nonstop, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah, just a lot of hanging out with them.
Every part of the state. So we haven't really been filming a lot for YouTube, so that's on us. But
Yeah.
we did want to show this campground that we're staying in. We've really liked this campground a lot, honestly. We were kind of haters at first because I think we've been saying Maryland is a very non-RV friendly state.
Yeah, there's like 2 RV parks.
Yeah, there's like 2 RV parks and then like a few like weird little campgrounds here and there, but it's really limited camping options here and no public land really. So we couldn't really go boondocking. So this place is $90 a night, which is the most expensive campground we've ever paid for. But we actually ended up liking it. At first we were like, I don't want to pay that kind of money for that, but we did end up really liking it. So we figured we'd kind of show you around. All right, so this place literally was so full. We're here on Memorial Day weekend. It's the day after Memorial Day though, so it's real calm now, but this is our site. It's a pretty big site and honestly level and just, that's all you can really ask for when it comes to a site. And it's like beautifully wooded too, which is nice. Also, this is currently happening here. It's on a farm and every goat is just hanging out. So yeah, there are goats here. So that's kind of an incentive to come here. We've been coming here every single day to look at the goats and they're very cute.
Yeah, and it's actually ended up being a pretty nice campground.
Yeah, we're gonna admit it's a nice campground. I was being a hater at first because it was so expensive and like down the street from where I grew up, and I was like, I don't want to pay that much to be there, but I'd say, especially like since Maryland doesn't have a lot of options, this one's worth it.
Yeah, if you're gonna come here, I would choose this one.
Yeah, and it's family run. It's called Ramblin' Pines. We might have
Yeah.
mentioned that before, but it's family run, like 50-year anniversary celebrating right now, so.
A couple of the other ones I think are corporate run, which I mean is fine, but they tend to be a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, we like a family run, so we
Like to
recommend this one.
like to support the family run places.
Let's get you guys something and show you a little like tour of the campground. We've really liked it, so.
Yeah, it's definitely very like family and kid friendly here.
Oh, yeah,
they have
my
a lot
goodness.
of activities for kids.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's like the main thing.
I mean, that's
is-
definitely the main draw out here is like very family friendly, like kids activities literally everywhere. Or adults too, I mean, pool, like mini golf, adults like that. Next week, we actually head to Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, which is an area we are super familiar with. And we plan on filming a whole lot out there because we love that area. So definitely subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for next week.
Any of the activities and all here, they're all free.
Oh, right on. Sweet. Awesome. All right, we got a scorecard.
We got a scorecard. Maybe we'll actually keep score. So let us know in the comments who you think's gonna win, me or Garrett. So Kristen or Garrett, if you don't know my name. Those are our names. I'm already stressed. There's a little ramp. I don't think I'm gonna do very well here.
All right, I got the scores going. Go
All
ahead.
right, I'm already stressed about this.
First hole.
Ah, shucks.
Would you think you're gonna get a hole in one?
Yeah, I actually was kind of confident.
I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, act like you've been somewhere.
Hole in
Oh
one.
man, this is stressing me out already.
Is that supposed to help though?
I don't know.
Like getting it in that thing, it's not really.
Doesn't really get you anywhere you need to be. I already got there by not doing
Like
that.
the hole's right there, and if you go around, well, then you just end up on. So you almost don't even want to get in that thing.
You have to. Aww. Oh, look, that's not too bad.
Yeah, see, it's almost better.
All right, Garrett's not doing so good right now. His ball's under the.
It's like pool.
It's a new game. Oh my!
Oh, jeez.
He's on like 5 on this one. I got it in like 3. What we've discovered is that we're both incredibly bad at this, so it's anyone's game at this point, quite frankly.
31 and.
All right, well, it was 58 to 57.
You could check my math, but.
Garrett won by 1.
Guess I won by 1 point.
1 point. Dang it. That's just proof that we were both really bad, though. Like, almost equally as terrible at mini golf, but it was still fun.
It was fun, actually. Probably one of the best mini golf
Yeah, one of the best
courses
ones at, like,
any RV park I've been
Oh,
at.
yeah, for sure.
We'll frame this and put this on the wall.
Yeah, it's a very important piece of artwork. It's a nice little RV park, though. It's very, like, tree and squirrely. There's squirrels everywhere. Well, today is the day that we leave Maryland and head up towards Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. That's our last stop on the East Coast before we actually start heading west again. But that's beside the point. It is literally pouring down rain. It's been raining this entire time we've been in Maryland, but it is absolutely pouring, like buckets of rain out there right now. So unfortunately, we have to tow about an hour and a half in the heaviest rain we've ever towed in. So really not looking forward to this one today. Literally everything is wet. We just have towels everywhere. Poor Garrett is out there getting like everything hitched up and ready. We gotta get the cats out to the car. I don't know how we're gonna get them out there without getting downpoured on. Dwight's already not looking forward to it. He knows something's going on. Baby. He says, please don't take me out in the rain. All right, we got the crate. One of them, oh, it's so wet. Ugh. This is miserable, I won't lie. This is not going to be fun whatsoever. The poor cats. Everything is soaking wet. There's absolutely nothing we can do. Like, we're not kidding.
I'm drenched.
It's horrible. Oh no. All right, this is the solution I came up with to get Dwight out to the car and Nico without them getting wet. So it's about all we have and all we can do. So we're hoping it keeps them dry. Bye, buddy. This is certainly less than ideal. We're hiding out under the umbrella while we get hitched up. Now it's my turn to help, so I gotta be out here in this. Alrighty, well, that was the exact opposite of fun to get everything hitched up in the rain. Of course, it's slowing down now a little bit, but I guess that's good because we have like an hour and a half drive to Gettysburg, so it'll be nice to not tow in the absolute pouring rain. But it was not fun getting ready in the pouring rain. But with that being said, that's the end of this video, so thank you for being here, and be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.